Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel RJ Crafts. I am RJ, you are watching RJ Crafts. So today I'm gonna show you this pattern. It's brilliant pattern. You can make baby blanket, scarf, so many things. You can make so many things with this pattern. I hope you will love it. I will show you step by step. So it's incredible pattern. Let me show you. I'm gonna use this yarn. Double knitting yarn is 100 gram, 330 meters. Is whatever you can use, cotton yarn or whatever. This is the recommend 4mm hook, this yarn, but I am using this. I'm gonna use 3.5mm hook. So I hope you will like this pattern. If you like, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for a nice compliment. I will show you step by step. Let's start. First loop, 1 2. This pattern multiple 2. I'm gonna make even number chains. So 2 3 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. You can make any even number. You can make scarf, blanket, whatever you want. Is just if you want to make baby blanket, make like if you make 90 chain, then plus one more. Okay, for example, just make even number, then plus one. First row with single crochet. So you should have at the end 14 single crochet. If you make 90 chain, then you should have 90 chain. Single crochet. So now I have 14 single crochet. Yes. Chain 2, yarn over, same stitch in same stitch. I'm gonna make the half, still half one loop on the hook, yarn over. I'm gonna skip one. Next one I'm gonna make puff 1 2 3 times, then make chain 1, yarn over in the same stitch. I'm gonna make first leg, last loop on the hook, then skip one, make puff. Next, sorry, don't be naughty. 3 times puff, then closed, chain 1, then same stitch, last loop on the hook, skip next one, yarn over, same stitch, make leg, skip next, then make puff 1 2 3 skip 1, chain 1, then same stitch, last loop on the hook, skip next. This is easy, not difficult pattern. Chain 1, make one leg here, same stitch, then last loop on the hook, yarn over. I have one stitch, last one here, so make, then complete them together. Here chain 1, then turn my work, here single crochet. So 1, 2, each stitch, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you have to make same amount single crochet. I have 14, then chain 2. Same process, yarn over. First leg always in the same stitch. Last loop on the hook. Skip 1. So now it's easy. Always top of this puff. Skip 1, then here. Make puff. Close, chain 1, then same stitch, leg. So skip 1, 2, 3, same, skip 1, make puff. Same stitch, make leg, last loop on the hook, skip 1, make puff. Same leg, skip 1, make puff. Same stitch, last loop on the hook, then top of the puff, chain 1, then leg same place, last loop on the hook, then last stitch, make, then close them together, chain 1. Same process, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this pattern will go just 2 rows. Okay, you need same amount at the end. It means 14 single crochet each stitch. Don't miss anyone. Okay. I made very small model, but I hope you understand this pattern lovely. chain 2. First leg always same stitch, last open the hook, skip next one, top of the puff. Then same stitch leg, last open hook, skip next, make puff. So I'm gonna continue like this. Then I'll show you at the end. Skip, same stitch, last open hook, skip, okay. Same stitch, skip, same, here same stitch, last loop, last. So complete them together, chain 1. So you can see how it's look like, this pattern, pretty good. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, then 14, always 14. So viewers, I'm gonna continue like this, then I will show you at the. So viewers, I'm gonna stop in here. It's small pattern, but I hope you will understand this pattern. It's a really pretty pattern, both sides. You can see this is back side, this is front side. So it's not difficult. You can make baby blanket, scarf, so many things. It's easy and simple pattern. So I hope you understand. If you please, if you like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for nice compliment.